I just wanted to discuss today a few different ways of searching for help in R. As you know, R is a scripting language, and for the most part, at first, especially at R level right now, we're just going to be looking at um, basically executing code line by line. So there are a couple of pretty easy ways to search for help. The first one kind of resembles a function. So I'll type in help here. Um, and then I'm going to type in open parentheses, and I'm going to type what I want to look for in there. So for example, if I'm having trouble finding the mean or understanding what that means, I can type in the word mean and close parentheses, and then we'll just go ahead and run that. And you'll notice down here that help will come up. In this case, it's going to show us help for the mean function, so we can learn about those. It'll show you what arguments this function takes and kind of all of that fun stuff, right? Similarly, you can run this function with single quotes, right? So you'll see it down here, or double quotes. Works for all of these, kind of convenient. Something that I've discovered in my sort of very beginning R journey is that there are many ways of doing the same thing in R. So that can definitely, for some of us, it hinders things, but for others of us, it helps things. So I don't know what the case is for you, but just kind of presenting that. And kind of in that spirit, here's a second way of searching for help, right? It doesn't look like a function. It's just a question mark. And so if I type in question mark mean, we're going to get the same thing down here as we did before. Now, sometimes you search for things and multiple results will come up. So for example, I'm going to type in here question mark plot to ask for plot help. And you'll notice that there are a couple of different pages here that you can open. So, here's generic XY plotting, or if I run this again, right, if I run, yep, I can see the default scatter plot function, right? So I am able sometimes to select down here if I am not being specific enough, or there are just multiple topics that fall under what you search for, then that's it. And, really I can search for anything at all, right? It's you won't get anything if it's wrong, no documentation for dog in the specified packages and libraries, but if it were there, it would come up. This is just to kind of show you down here what happens if you search for something that doesn't exist, and you're thinking, wait, why is nothing appearing over kind of over here in our help panel? Well, that's why. But anyway, I hope you found this helpful, and yeah, thanks so much for watching.